good, everybody? Bass drop keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro, and welcome to the first episode of Clueless Drinker. Now, myself, I'm a big fan of Conan O'Brien, and he has a series called Clueless Gamer, where he reviews games. It's funny because he's not a gamer. Well, obviously you guys know that this channel is Good Eats 420, so you know what I'm all about. I'm not a drinker at all. In fact, I haven't had a drink in over a decade. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making our first drink, which is going to be a Long Island iced tea. Alright, so a little backstory right here. I was in the Army, as you guys know, from 2000 to 2004. When I was in the Army, there was no such thing as moderation. We was trying to get fucked up every night. The drink of choice back then was Crown and Coke. So what I did was I actually have a 15-piece bartender set here that I got off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And I went to my local liquor store, and as you guys can see, I got something to start off my own little home bar right here. I haven't had a drink in over a decade. The last time that I got drunk was 2007. That's a whole nother story for another day. So myself, I'm not a drinker, but we're going to start getting back into it today. As I promised you guys, we're going to be doing infused drinks. Right here, we have the simple syrup that we made on the channel. You know, it's a 1-to-1 simple syrup, 910 milligrams right here. And so we're going to be using this in order to infuse our drinks. The first one up is Long Island iced tea. Okay, so the things that we're going to be using right here, got some ice, got some lemon, got some spirits. I told you about the simple syrup. We got our shaker right here, and we got our jigger right here. This is how we're going to be measuring all of our spirits. The smaller portion right here, that's a half a fluid ounce or 1 tablespoon. The bigger portion here, that is a full fluid ounce or 2 tablespoons right here. And that's how we're going to be measuring everything out. So let's go ahead and get to it. As I was doing my research, they said you're supposed to put in the least expensive, the cheapest thing first. For us, that's going to be the lemon juice. We need 1 fluid ounce of lemon juice. Let's do it. And we need 1 fluid ounce of our simple syrup. We made this on the channel right here. Now I can go ahead and tell you, I've already done the calculations. This is going to be 57 milligrams of THC right here. Let's do it. 1 fluid ounce. Alright, so for the rest of the way, we're going to be doing half a fluid ounce. We're going to start off with the vodka. Same thing, we're going to go to the gin. Got some Seagram's gin right here. The homie told me I should have got some Tanqueray, but we're good on this. The tequila is next. I got some of this Jose Cuervo Blue Agave Especial. I want to shout out all my people in El Paso, Texas. Much love. Very nice. The rum is next. I chose this Gold Bacardi right here. You choose whatever you want to choose. I always pour it over the shaker just in case I spill any. We just make our drink a little stronger. You feel me? I'm really hoping that this tastes like the Long Island iced teas that I remember. This is my first time ever making it. I'm excited. And like I said, I haven't had a drink in over a decade, so. Alright, so the last thing that we need to put in here as far as the spirits are concerned is this triple sec. This is some 60 proof right here. Half a fluid ounce. Alright, now I'm going to put in some ice. Awesome. Alright, now it's time to shake it. Put it on the top. Let's shake it. Now we need to ice our glass. Now we need to strain it. We need to finish it off with some Coke. Let me grab one. Go ahead, stir that up. Look at that. Now it looks like iced tea. Fun fact, Long Island iced tea, there's no iced tea in it. Last thing we need to do is finish it off with some lemon. You can either do lemon wheels or lemon quarters, whatever you want to do. Here we go. Got my lemon wheels. Put them right in there. And there we have it. A great Long Island iced tea. I gotta say, it really looks like the Long Island iced teas that I used to have back in the day. I wonder if it tastes like it. Let's find out. Oh man, it does taste like it. Well, I'll be goddamn. That's all right there. Man, it's so crazy how you really can't even taste. It don't even taste like alcohol. I just told you I haven't had a drink in a long time, but I'm definitely gonna drink this. So guys, that's it. I hope that this video helped you guys out. As you can see how easy it is to infuse your drinks using that simple syrup that we make. So guys, that's it. I really appreciate you. Until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.